In moments of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, where do you find the role of analysis in these major market dislocations? And how do you navigate this environment amidst this chaos?
Good question. Look, mark to market can be a harsh master, where if you're looking at mark to market every day, it's very tough to maintain your rationality,
Mhm.
because the markets don't need to be rational on any short term time horizon. However, in the long run, the arc of the markets always bends towards rationality. That is how markets function. And so we at Multicoin really try to stick to the fundamentals in periods of not only fear, uncertainty, and doubt, such as we're in right now, but also in periods of irrational exuberance, which we have also experienced, where everything is going to be great forever, and all the numbers on the screen are going to go up all the time. And so we think that really looking at things from first principles and trying our best to eliminate biases in decision making is really the key here. You do not want to be making emotional decisions when it comes to trading or investments in these very volatile markets. And we think that having strong fundamental beliefs that guide your investment decisions, having strong fundamental analysis that gives you a margin of safety on your investment decisions is absolutely key here. And so, we may miss out on some opportunities because we don't want to take some speculative risk on something that we don't fully understand. And we like investing in things that we fully understand, that we can understand all of the various impacts and second order consequences. And that by doing that, that gives us the confidence and the conviction to hold even in periods of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And that also gives us, a good target to look for to exit trades during periods of irrational exuberance.
What do you say to the doubters that say Bitcoin failed as a safe haven asset?
I would say Bitcoin was always a risk-on asset from a financial risk perspective denominated in US dollars, right? What you see in this type of an environment is you're seeing correlations increase because all of the trades in the world correlate down to one trade, which is, are you long dollars or are you short dollars? And that's why you see liquidity crunches where everything sells off at the same time because the world in total was short dollars. And so Bitcoin is not immune to that. That's not what Bitcoin is meant to be a safe haven from. Bitcoin is a safe haven from the seizure of your wealth by government authorities, from inflation, and from other types of risks in the financial system. But Bitcoin is not a safe haven from a liquidity crunch in a dollar denominated environment. It never was, and I don't think it ever really will be. So unless you denominate your wealth in Bitcoin, which there are a number of people who do, a fairly large number of people who do, I would not see Bitcoin as a safe haven from a liquidity crunch. But if you think that governments will overreact to this crisis by just having overreach of their authority, violating their citizens' rights to privacy and other fundamental rights, if you think that they will overreact by printing tremendous amounts of currency in order to further their own political goals and re-election campaigns, then I think Bitcoin is a safe haven.